There are hundreds of thousands of people across the 4 states, across the 4 industries, who are creating dreams, making them into reality, who are bringing fantasies and dreams to life, who are putting together all their hard work and effort to do everything to entertain the audiences and give them experiences to take home, experience that translate into memories of a lifetime. And here we are celebrating the finest in the best way possible. Welcome to IFA. And of course, IFA Utsava. To begin our evening, we stay true to tradition. We invoke the blessings of the Almighty. Ladies and gentlemen, and we light the lamp. So may I please invite our dignitaries on stage. Shri B. Venkatesham Garu, Secretary, Government of Telangana, Tourism and Culture Department, and they're also our destination partners. May I please invite them on stage. And of course, along with them, founder directors of Vizcraft, Mr. Andre Timmons and Mr. Bidaf Sarkari, and General Manager Marketing, Adani Wilmar Group, Mr. Kaushal Desai. May I please invite these dignitaries on stage to light the lamp and begin our evening on an auspicious note. Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate the best of the best in cinema, it is also imperative to take note of the magicians behind this entire celebration. 3 decades ago, 3 dreamers came together to create experiences for audiences across India and the world. They went on to create an army of tireless workers tireless magicians rather, who went on to create experiential moments for us that we will remember for lifetimes, that we will cherish all our lives and beyond. They've literally recreated history for us. We're talking about Vizcraft, ladies and gentlemen, one of the finest event management companies in the world, and also the creators of IFA Utsavam, and so many other experiences that we are aware of. Well, let's take a couple of minutes and have a peek inside the world of Vizcraft on screen, please.
Where creativity meets technology. When ideas meet innovation.
Wonderful to see all of you here. Thank you very much. On behalf of my partners, Mr. Kaushal Desai, the General Manager in Sales and Marketing for Adani Wilmar, Mr. Thomas Abraham, General Manager, Park Hyatt, Hyderabad, and Mr. P. Kiran, Head of Gemini TV, Sun TV Network. Thank you very much for coming, and to all the film industry stars, all our stars of IFA who have been supporting us from all the 4 industries, thank you very much for coming today. Big round of applause for all of them. This is our second round of IFA. The journey continues. First year we did last year, and we did it to support the floods that happened in Chennai. We did it for the first time. We tried to put together in the month of November. Then due to floods, we had to move it to January. And this year we are here again. This time it's at HICC. Thank you very much for all your support. We are very, very thankful to the Telangana government, the Tourism Department of Telangana Tourism, INPR Telangana, the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, and the Telangana State Police Force. Thank you very much for your support. Also our sponsors, without whom we won't be able to make this happen: Fortune Sunflower Oil, Hero, Renault, Horlicks, and Big C. We are very happy and proud to have Sun TV Network as our partners. As we saw, they reach out to about 95 million households and is viewed in about 27 countries. This is a big exposure for our industry, promoting our films across the world using the Sun TV Network. Every year at IFA, we actually take up a cause and we associate a cause with IFA. This year, we have associated Care for Children because we extend our support to the Care for Children movement as It is our duty to create safe world for children and to be able to make them prosper. Day one, which is 20th March, we're going to have the award ceremony and the green carpet for Tamil and Malayalam film industries. And on day two, 29th March, we're going to have the green carpet and the award ceremony for Telugu and Kannada film industries. Mind you, IFA is probably the only award ceremony in the world which does not do a red carpet. We have a green carpet because we promote the awareness about global warming through this. And everyone notices this, everyone asks us, why is it a green carpet and not red? And this is what we say. So we're very proud to have a green carpet instead of red. All in all, for each of the industries, we have 12 popular awards, 10 technical awards, and 6 special awards, which goes out for all the 4 cinemas over these 2 days. And we're very happy to also announce our performers. We have a whole bevy of performers performing for each of the industries, because what we do over 2 days, we actually cut 4 large programs for 4 different languages, which goes on the Sun TV network. These are our hosts: Rana, Mirchi Shiva, Pearl Mani, Tini Tom, Nani, Akul Balaji, and Meghna. Our performers, it's a long list: Jiva, Hansika, Ravi, Sai Dharam Tej, Akhil, Kunchako, Pragya, Catherine, Amya, Dastur, Nikki, Lakshmi, Isha, Rachita, Akshara, Ritika, Venkatesh, Madhavan, Rashi, Vaibhav, Premji, Nitin, Arvind, and Ajay. It's a long list of performers. What we assure you from Viscraft is 2 nights of fun, 1 big award ceremony, and a grand Utsavam. The superstars of Indian cinema will light up Hyderabad. This wouldn't be possible without our sponsors. Thank you very much.
We at Adani Wilmar are proud to be associated and presenting IFA Utsavam. This is the second consecutive year where we would be presenting IFA Utsavam. Before we move on, just a little snapshot of what Adani Wilmar is and what it stands for. Adani Wilmar is India's one of the fastest growing FMCG company. It is essentially a joint venture between Adani Group of India, who are the big as far as the private infrastructure is concerned, and Wilmar International, who are one of the world leader in agro-business. We've got extremely large scale of operations. We have more than 40 production capabilities spread across length and breadth of India. So basically, at Adani Wilmar, our vision is to be a globally admired leader in integrated agribusiness with a deep commitment to a nation building. We shall be known for our scale of operation, speed of execution, and quality of operation.
So may I please invite this powerhouse of energy and brightness, who had a spectacular debut with 2 of the titans of the Indian film industry. She's here with us, and may I please invite her on stage, Akshara Hassan. May I have you speak to our lovely gathering.
Hi everyone, so happy to be here at such a prestigious event, and I've gotten the opportunity to be performing as well, and my first performance, so I'm so glad and overwhelmed to be performing at such a prestigious event. There are so many other talents that will be performing as well, and I'm looking forward to that and the entire event. So I hope everyone enjoys as much as I do as well. I'm honestly not sure what else to say, but yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Akshara.
Hi guys, I'm really happy and excited to be here yet again. And this is the second time IFA is happening in Hyderabad, and it was a spectacular show last year, as you all have seen. And I really was looking forward to and hoping that I get to perform the next year, and it is happening now, so I'm really excited. And I'm also nominated in the Best Actress category, so that makes it even more special. IFA is happening in Hyderabad, which happens to be one of my favorite cities. So really excited about that too. So IFA is bringing together all the 4 industries. I think it's a wonderful platform to celebrate cinema. We reward the people who worked so hard through the year. We get to meet so many more people in this event, and I think it's a great celebration. It's one big party, and I'm very excited to be here. I hope this is bigger, or at least as big or even bigger than last year. Thank you.
Next up, may I please invite an icon amongst us, a legend in his own right, an incredible actor and a wonderful gentleman, Nasir Saab. May I please invite you on stage.
Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Nice to be here and being part of IFA Awards. It's been a long time we have been waiting that this award will come to South, and it has come. This is the second great year we are waiting for. I really, from my heart, I thank my friends from Wizcraft. I love that man for always he carries that wonderful, genuine smile on his face. I know what amount of pressure goes in his mind. Handling stars, Good, nice. Last year it was great, and this year it is really going to be greater one. No check is greater or fatter than a small award. Artists, we need awards, we long for it, and it's going to be a great fun, and it's good. I really thank the government of Telangana who has joined with IFA. It's nice that a government has recognized artists, and definitely there's one small request. Chennai is waiting for you, Andrea, and your team. It's 2 years in Hyderabad. I welcome you all. I invite to have this great gala function in Chennai. And what else? Love to you. Let us have fun and let us give a great entertainment. Thank you.
I must say, sir, Chennai will take some time. They have just finally decided their chief minister, the Best Hero Award will take a little more time. But of course, we hope to celebrate IFA Utsavam there as well. But on that note, I think Hyderabad has been an incredible destination, and especially in recent times, with the able support of the government, very, very generous towards the experiential industry, the cinema industry, building infrastructure, building culture, and so many other aspects of the city and the state. All thanks to, of course, the government and its various departments coming together and making processes so easy. They're also our destination partners for IFA Utsavam. And may I please invite on stage Shri B. Venkatesham Garu, Secretary, Government of Telangana, Tourism and Cultural Department. Welcome, sir.
Welcome to this great city, Hyderabad, and this wonderful land called Telangana. Whatever you want as a culture, a mixture of everything, a good place to have everything what India can offer in one place, it is Hyderabad. If you want to see entire India in one city, it is Hyderabad. If you want to see entire country in one state, it is Telangana. So this is a wonderful place. People are very nice. They are very, very hospitable. You name it, we have except snow and sea. These two are lacking. Probably a day will come with our technological wonders. We'll create one artificial beach for you. We can create one artificial snow mountain also for you. Except that we have everything. And that's why our tagline for Telangana tourism is visit for all reasons and all seasons. Thank you very much.
Please invite on stage Mr. Thomas Abraham, General Manager, Park Hyatt Hyderabad, our luxury partner and an incredible property. Mr. Thomas, all yours.
It gives me great pride to be on stage this evening among all you esteemed personalities. And it's also an honor, and I'm really humbled to be given this opportunity to share our journey with IFA Utsavam over the last 2 years. Park Hyatt Hyderabad is the city's most premium address with 209 rooms, suites and 41 apartments. Our restaurants are unparalleled to any in the city. This year, we celebrate 5 years in the city of Hyderabad, and we've played host to several dignitaries, film stars and business leaders. Our venues have been used to host several symposiums, conventions, weddings, movie launches, and audio releases as well. Thank you for believing in us. It is an honor to be associated with IFA Utsavam since their inception in Hyderabad last year. Thank you, Andre and Team Wizcraft. Our chairman, Dr. T. Subbarama Reddy, who is no stranger to the fraternity, has played an instrumental role in bringing the first IFA guest to our hotel last year. And this year too, we're delighted to welcome everyone to our hotel and hope to continue this journey with IFA Utsavam in the city of Hyderabad. We wish the ceremony, its organizers, and the stars a successful IFA Utsavam.
Thank you, Park Hyatt Hyderabad, for being our luxury partner. May I please invite now on stage from God's own country, Kunchako Boban, actor, producer, and of course performer at the IFA Utsavam.
Namaskaram. And it indeed is a great honor, pleasure to be here, to be part of IFA Utsavam Season 2. And yeah, the MC told that the performers don't get an award.
No, I was joking. I was joking. I really wasn't.
No, it's okay. Actually, the IFA guys asked me whether I wanted an award or should I perform. I said, awards are boring and performance is much more exciting. So
Don't edit that. keep that
jokes
part.
apart, award is much more exciting and yeah, maybe next time. So coming from God's own country and I had a very detailed description of a wonderful Hyderabad and very happy to be here, to be in front of such an august crowd and I'll be performing tomorrow, looking forward to it. And all the talents up there on the stage, getting the awards and doing the performances. I think we all will be having a great time. And good luck, IFA, and thank you for inviting me to be part of this great event. Good luck and God bless.
Hello, wonderful people. I'm super excited and happy to be performing this time in IFA Awards. IFA Awards is surely making me feel like a festive season. It's surely a festive. Thank you, IFA. Thank you, Wizcraft, for bringing all the 4 industries together and celebrating it together. I'll be performing this IFA. It's my first time. I'm very, very excited. My excitement is something that, I've always seen IFA in Bollywood, but IFA happening in South is something more special. Thanks again, IFA, and really looking forward for the entire event since it's my first time, and also looking forward for the other performances. And I'm sure it's going to be a great event with lots of fun activities around. There's so much happening already, and really, really looking forward for it. Thank you.
From our broadcast partner, Sun Network, Mr. P. Kiran, head of Gemini TV, may I please invite him on stage to speak with us.
IFA is bringing 2 of the biggest entertainers in India. One is Sun Network and Wizcraft coming together and doing this big event here. I'm very happy that they are doing it in Hyderabad. This is the second year, and I hope it will be better than last year. Thank you.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఐఫా లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ అటెండ్ అయ్యాను, జస్ట్ ఆడియన్స్లో కూర్చొని బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. అండ్ ఈ సంవత్సరం ఫస్ట్ టైం రానా నాకు ఫోన్ చేసి, నువ్వు చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది బాబాయ్, ఇద్దరం కలిసి చేస్తాను, నువ్వు ఉన్నావని ధైర్యంతో నేను చేస్తానని చెప్పాను. అండ్ చాలా చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. నార్మల్గా మన అవార్డ్స్ ఫంక్షన్లు అంటే కొంచెం పద్ధతిగా చిన్న పొలిటికల్ ఫంక్షన్ లాగా జరుగుతుంటాయి అప్పుడప్పుడు, అంటే పొగడ్తలు, చాలా ఒక ఫార్మాట్ ఉంటుంది. సో మీ ఇద్దరం కలిసి కొంచెం ఆ ఫార్మాట్ని బ్రేక్ చేద్దామని ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఈ ప్రాసెస్లో కనుక ఎవరైనా హర్ట్ అయితే కనుక క్షమించాలని ముందే ఒక స్టాచ్యుటరీ వార్నింగ్ కూడా చెప్పేస్తున్నాం. సో ఒక కాలేజ్ ఫంక్షన్ లాగా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుందాం అని బేసిక్గా, అంటే అందరి మధ్యలో ఒక హలో హాయ్ అని అలా పద్ధతిగా కాకుండా కొంచెం నవ్వుతూ ఆడుతూ సరదాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తే అది రేపు టీవీలో కానీ ఈవెంట్ చూసే ఆడియన్స్ కూడా, ప్రేక్షకులు కూడా ఎక్కువ ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. అండ్ సరదాగా జోక్లు వేసుకుంటూ ఒక అవార్డ్ ఫంక్షన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏంటంటే మా అందరి మధ్యలో ఉన్న ఒక ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ కూడా ప్రేక్షకులకు అర్థమవుతుంది. అండ్ అక్కడ కూడా కొంచెం ఫ్యాన్ వార్స్ ఇలాంటివన్నీ తగ్గుతాయని ఒక నమ్మకంతో ఇలాంటి ఒక ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాం. సో మీరందరూ ఆదరిస్తారని నమ్ముతున్నాను. ఇంతకుముందు ఎప్పుడు నేను చేయలేదు హోస్టింగ్, ఇకపై చేస్తానో లేదు నాకు తెలియదు. సో ఈసారి తాడో పేడో తేల్చేసుకుందామని ఫిక్స్ అయ్యాం. సో 29th తెలుగు కన్నడ ఉండబోతుంది. సో ఐఎమ్ రియలీ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు ద ఫంక్షన్. అండ్ గెలవబోయే యాక్టర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా ముందే కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. అండ్ బేసిక్గా లెట్స్ ఆల్ హ్యావ్ ఫన్, అందరం కలిసి ఎంజాయ్ చేద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
And congratulations on that spectacular evening yesterday. Congratulations. You are of course a veteran now, like you're also hosting tomorrow and day after, but you're like full experienced and everything now. You know what to do.
Well, for the Tamil night, I'm hosting along with Shiva, and the Telugu night, Nani and I are doing it for the first time. So, Andarku Namaskaram andi, IFA Utsavam. Thank you, Nani, for being so supportive and getting on the stage. And thank you, IFA, for bringing all these 4 industries back together. We'll have an awesome night. And there are cooler after parties, but I'm not going to talk about it. Thank you.
Our founder, directors of Wizcraft, Andre and Viraf, may I please invite you on stage for a photo opportunity. May I also invite Honorable Shri Venkatesham Garu on stage, please.